Hello guys. So the question that we'll be solving today is noble integer. Okay, and this is our seventh question. Now the problem statement is given an integer array A, we have to find an integer P that exists in the array such that the number of integers greater than P in the array equals to P. Okay, so this means, like, suppose if we have a value 3, that means we must have 3 more values greater than 3. Okay, and just 3 more values, actually just 3 more values. Okay, now let's see our input format. So we are being given an array, okay, integer array, and we have to return 1 if that case is true, and -1 if that case is false. Got it? So now our first example input over here is 3213. Okay, so we have 3, we have our 3 2 1 3. Okay, now we have to check, okay, whether we have 3 numbers greater than 3 or not. No, we don't. Okay, so whether we have 2 numbers greater than 2 or not. Yes, we do have, right? And those numbers are your 3 and another 3, right? So 2 has 2 numbers greater than 2. Okay, and those are 3 comma 3. Got it? So our answer will be true in this case, and we have to return 1. Okay, let's check. Yeah, it's 1. Now in the other case we have 1 1 3 3, right? So our array is 1 1 sorry so our array is 1 1 3 3. Okay, now if we come to 1, okay, so the number of elements that we have greater than 1 is actually 2. Okay, and this doesn't hold. Okay, so we have to have it exactly equal to that integer. So actually we have 2, so it won't hold true. For this one as well, same scenario. For 3 we don't have any number greater than 3. Okay, and over there we have been specifically asked that number that is greater than 3. Okay, so we can't count this 3, okay, as it is equal to this 3. Got it? Now the approach that will follow over here, okay, the approach that will follow over here will be, we will first sort our array. Okay, so now if I have my 3213, okay, so if I have my 3213, what I will do is I will first sort it. Okay, so after sorting I will get something like this. Cool. Now I want you to just observe one thing. Okay, if we are standing on this element, okay, on this element, and if we just check that whether we have exactly this number of elements after this, okay, if we have exactly this number of elements after this, then we will return true. Got it? Okay, the only scenario that when it will fail is if you have another 2 in between. Okay, so if I have something like 1 2 2 3 3, okay, so in that case what will happen is I have to skip this thing. Okay, I have to skip this check. Okay, I don't have to count this 2, and I will directly be counting the other 3s. Got it? Cool. Now how will we proceed after this is basically, so our approach after this step would be simple. Okay, so I have to just check whether my a of I is equal to my a dot size minus my I plus 1. Okay, okay, you can also see as a, like, it is, see it as a of size minus 1, that is my last index, minus my current index. Okay, so my last index, that is 3, minus my current index, that is 1. If that's equal to the if that's equal to the number that I have over there in my a of I position, that means that I have that many greater number than this. Got it? Okay, and I have to actually separately add checks for these conditions. Okay, that is if my number is just repeated. Okay, so let's see how we'll do that. Okay, so let's jump onto the coding part. Okay, and we will start with sorting our array. Okay, so we'll sort it. I will sort my array, sort a dot begin. Okay, so now my array is being sorted. Now what I will do is I will check, okay, for int I equal to 0, my I less than a dot size minus 1. Okay, a dot size minus 1 I plus plus. Okay, and over here what I will be actually checking, like why I kept a dot size minus 1 over there. The reason being, over here I will be actually putting one more condition. Okay, so first thing that I do over here is I check my a of size minus I plus 1. Okay, so the thing that I told you. Then the next thing that I will check is if my I plus 1 is actually less than a dot size. Okay, so it shouldn't happen that I exceed the limit. Okay, and what I will do is I will just check a of I is less than a of I plus 1. Okay, so just to avoid the 2 condition. Okay, so if you have simultaneously same thing, okay, this thing that I have added over here is just to avoid this overflow condition. Okay, now suppose if I don't have I after this, okay, now suppose if I have 7 and if I'm trying to compare it with 8, then in that scenario I will get an error. Okay, so that's why I'm just checking this over here. Now what I will do inside it, I will just return 1 if this thing is true. Okay, else what I will do is like I don't have to actually add a else. In the end what I will do is I will just simply return minus 1. That means my if condition never passed. Okay, and now because of that I have my value as minus 1. Okay, now we have forgotten one case over here. Okay, an important case, that is if my a of a dot size minus 1. Okay, I don't know why 0 is coming. 8 of size minus 1. Okay, so if my last element that I have is actually equal to 0, okay, in that case I will be returning 1. Got it? Now the thing is if after sorting my last element is 0, okay, if after sorting my last element is 0, that means that all the integers or all the values that I had was actually negative. Okay, so it will be something like this, right? And then only my 0 will be there. And the thing is like if my last element is 0, that means I don't need to have any greater element right after this, because 0 is equal to 0. Like I don't need any element after this, so that's why I have put in that case over here as well. Okay, so now I guess my solution is complete. Okay, so over here you can also see that you can solve this thing while using a map. Okay, so you can use unordered map as well. You have to just maintain the number of counts of the words that have arrived. Okay, and then you can just simply add them up and check. But this was the best approach that I found, and I shared it with you guys. Okay, so if you guys like this solution, okay, please do share, subscribe and like this video.